As I was saying, there's three different types of home insurance here in Germany. The first one is contents insurance. It's the most critical piece of insurance that you really want to get because it's applicable to both landlords and renters. It covers all of your belongings. Turn your home or apartment upside down, everything that falls is generally covered. So that means things like your sofa, your clothes, your gaming PC, whatever it may be, it's covered. But what is it covered against? So it's going to be covered against a few different events, things like burglaries, thefts, fires, hail. You might also get floods. So if any of your belongings get stolen or damaged by these kind of events, then your insurance kicks in and you don't have to replace everything through your own pocket. And that's the most popular policy here in Germany that I would recommend every single person to get if you own more than, say, a suitcase worth of stuff. The second insurance type is buildings insurance. Buildings insurance is also helpful, but to a much smaller population, I would say. That's because buildings insurance is helpful for homeowners only, because as a homeowner, you need to protect the integrity of your home, the structure of your home. Things like the walls, the roof, the ceiling, the built-in bathrooms. In case something bad happens, unforeseen, nature does its thing and somehow damages your home. Things like fire, storms, hails, water damage. If the structure of the building is damaged, buildings insurance is going to be the one that makes sure that you don't have to be paying out of pocket to make sure the repairs are done properly. The third and final type of home insurance is homeowners liability insurance. In this case, it's for whenever someone else gets hurt inside of your home or property. Say someone slips on the floor in your bathroom and breaks their arm. If one of your flower pots falls from the balcony and damages a car, or even if there's ice on your sidewalk and somebody slips and again hurts themselves, you're the one who has to pay for the damages in these cases. And so that's when homeowners liability insurance comes in and ensures you're not the one left holding the bag. Again, this is going to be useful only for homeowners and not necessarily for renters. In fact, homeowners are typically required to have this kind of policy because the downside can be really astronomous when you think about, worst case scenarios. You can end up being liable for a lot of damages and most people are not going to be able to pay for this kinds of damages.